Hello everyone, we're gonna get a coffee. Here we have a Saeco Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the micro switch that was over here on the door. The door was not getting sense. The sensor of the door was not detecting that when it was closed, so you will always see this error message. But now as you can see, we just closed the door. And the message got away. So like I said, we replaced the micro switch on the machine. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the gasket from the infuser, cleaning the infuser, descaling the machine, and just give it a good clean on the whole machine. First time we're going to the espresso. We're going to test it out. Then we're going to use water and the steam. Coffee. Great color, great flavor. Now for the steam, we're gonna test it out. It will take a little bit for the machine to heat up, but once it gets to pressure, we're gonna see the steam coming out through here. As you can see, working perfectly fine, having excellent pressure and nice temperature. And there you have it, Saeco working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.